protesting farmers observed a Bharat Bandh, Home Minister Amit Shah called them for a meeting. This meeting came a day before government's next round of negotiations to end the massive protests against the farm laws. The Home Minister's invite indicated that the government is engaging with the farmers at the highest level, and this came as a nationwide shutdown or Bharat Bandh was called by protesting farmers as they hit the road and rail traffic in parts of the country. Sources say that the government is keen on farmers accepting the amendments, but the farmers are firm on their demand of rollback of farm laws.
ये मीटिंग बेनतीजा समझते हो आप? ये जो मीटिंग है बेनतीजा समझते हो आप? ये जो अभी बैठक हुई है आपकी,
मिनिस्टर ने कहा कि हम कल आपको लिख के एक प्रस्ताव भेजेंगे जो एपीएमसी ओ एसडीएम का पावर ये सब जो उठा है सवाल हम लिख के दे देंगे, आप इसको विचार करो, करके आओ, फिर परसों यहाँ पे चर्चा करेंगे। अमेंडमेंट की बात वापस करने के लिए तैयार नहीं,
अमेंडमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं।
हमारा कहना है कल सुबह वो भेजेंगे, कल हम मीटिंग करेंगे दोपहर में सब संगठन। हम सुनो तो चिल्लाओ क्यों रहे? अरे हम क्या, हमारा मिनिस्टर जो बोला है, हमारा सारे जो 40 लोग हैं कल 12 बजे उसको बताएंगे और वहाँ से फैसला करेंगे, मगर जो लगता है हटने का तैयार नहीं है, शायद हमारा लिए दोबारा बैठक में आने का संभावना कम है।
सिर्फ यही बताया गया कि प्रपोजल आपको देनी है उन्होंने।
इतना दिन लगा, 6 महीना बाद प्रपोजल दिया है। 6 महीना पहले प्रपोजल देता तो चर्चा होता। आज आंदोलन पीठ पे पहुंच गए। कुछ लिख के देंगे, अमेंडमेंट क्या करेंगे, कुछ अमेंडमेंट क्या करेंगे।
ये मीटिंग बेनतीजा मानते हो? मीटिंग बेनतीजा मानते हो?
All right, so that's the breaking news that's just coming in. One of the farmer leaders who've come out, we believe this is one of the farmer leaders who went inside the meeting. He's saying that the minister said that tomorrow government will send a proposal, and we will think over it. We will meet at noon tomorrow, and then we will decide on what the next course of action will be. He is clearly saying that the government is not ready to repeal the farm laws, which is the demand of the farmers. They've remained firm on that demand, no amendments, but a total rollback, a complete rollback of farm laws. And he's also saying that the chances of coming to the negotiating table now is low. Let's go across to Sunil Prabhu for more on this. Sunil, what are the key takeaways from this meeting?
Well, the key takeaways is that the talks have failed. There has been no breakthrough in terms of the way forward, in terms of those 5 demands that the farmers had made. The Home Minister has assured that he will give it in writing, his response to those 5 demands. But the meeting point is that the government is ready to give some amendments, but not ready for the repeal. The farmers are insisting on the repeal. The talks that were scheduled for tomorrow at 12 o'clock now stand at, what is called a no man's land. They will have a meeting tomorrow at 12 o'clock in the Singhu border to deliberate and take a decision on how they want to go forward. But definitely, if one has to report back, the situation is that between the farmers and the government, there has been no headway, and clearly the battle lines remained drawn in terms of what their positions are. One, the sections of the farmers are very categorical that there is no question whatsoever unless the 3 farm laws are repealed. The government says there's no question of repeal. We will only agree to some amendments and we will state our position in writing, and then of course a final decision will be taken on that matter.
Sunil, then what's the point of these talks that are going to be held tomorrow? another round of negotiations between the Agriculture Minister, Mr. Piyush Goyal, and the farmer leaders. Is that meeting still on?
Well, according to one of those leaders who are part of those deliberations today, says that that meeting is still not on. We will have a deliberation tomorrow with the farmers who are congregated to look at their perspective and their response. So there is a big question mark about those talks that will carry on tomorrow.
Sunil, so is there any climb down whatsoever from the government side? There is no meeting ground so far. One is asking for a complete rollback. The other is not willing to give in. Is there going to be any meeting ground in these talks? We've had several rounds of negotiations, but is there any softening of stance from either side?
Well, there's no softening of stand at all. The only conceding point is that the government has, Rohit, agreed to an amendment. That's a big climb down for them. You know, the fact that the government had been on a very, very strong wicket after the passage and after the winning of the BR elections, they didn't seem in any mood to concede. Now, of course, in the aftermath of this agitation, the first signs of that came on Thursday when we reported that they had agreed to amendments to the farm laws. All three farm laws they were ready to amend. It's then, of course, that it showed that the government was ready to climb down. But on the repeal, which the farmers are insisting, because for them it's an emotive issue, it's a prestige issue, it's an issue for which Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, parts of most parts of North India are badly affected by. And for them, it's their livelihood. And for them, it's a big, big issue. So really, much will depend on how the government is able to handle it, whether it's able to break the farmers' unity. Tomorrow we have the president, the opposition parties meeting the president at 5 o'clock. Nearly 24 political parties are joining together. So it's in that backdrop we have definitely the positions quite clear. How the farmers are going to take this forward, whether they get disunited, whether government is able to break them. These are issues that we'll have to wait and watch. But at the present juncture, it's quite clear that talks have failed. There's no headway. Government has said that they will give their points, but there's a big question mark about whether talks will continue tomorrow or not.
Right. One final question, Sunil. We were speaking to Mr. P. Chidambaram, former union minister. He spoke of repeal and reenact. Is there any thinking on those lines in the government so far?
Well, I wish Mr. P. Chidambaram himself was there in the Rajya Sabha for that participation when that debate happened. The fact was that everybody at that stage wanted it to be sent to a select committee for further deliberations because of the manner in which and in the haste in which these bills have been brought about. The fact still remains that at this present juncture, these are what the farmers have been asking for, not Mr. P. Chidambaram, but the people on the grassroots have been asking for this, and they still believe very firmly on that issue of repeal and reenactment.